Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to change the icon size on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Whether you want bigger or smaller app icons, here's the easiest way to do it. Start by going to your home screen and long press on any empty space. You will see options appear at the bottom like wallpapers, themes, widgets, and settings. Tap on the option that says settings. This opens your home screen layout settings. Now tap on home screen grid. You will see options like 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, etc. The fewer rows or columns, the larger the icons. For example, 4x5 will make your icons larger, while 5x6 will make them smaller. For now, I'll go with 4x5. Once you have selected the grid that fits your preference, tap Done in the bottom left corner of your screen. You can also tap App Screen Grid to change the icon size inside the app drawer too. And you're done. That's how you change the icon size on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.